Tonight, we expose the absolute, unconscionable cruelty being inflicted upon transgender women within the U.S. prison system. Under the guise of a so-called gender ideology order, the Trump administration has unleashed a campaign of terror against some of the most vulnerable among us. Let's be clear, this is not about protecting women. This is about systematic, state-sanctioned violence. Despite multiple court rulings blocking these horrific policies, transgender women are being ripped from women's facilities and thrown into men's prisons. This order, straight from the top, mandates that the Attorney General ensure males are not detained in women's prisons. It also cuts off federal funding for life-saving gender-affirming care. This is a direct assault on human dignity. On a recorded phone interview, Whitney stated, "I'm just continuing to be punished for existing. They changed my records. From female to male. I feel like a pawn in others' political games." Whitney, a 31-year-old transgender woman, is now trapped in a men's prison. Her records have been deliberately falsified. This is not just a policy change, it's a calculated act of dehumanization. Kara Jansen, an attorney for several trans prisoners, said, "This is incredibly unnecessary and cruel. Our clients are desperate and scared. We have women who have had gender-affirming surgeries prior to incarceration, and are placed in men's facilities. This is a clear violation of PREA. The Prison Rape Elimination Act, a federal law, mandates screening for sexual assault risk and consideration of LGBTQN status in housing decisions. Trump's policy? A blatant, deliberate violation. Internal documents reveal the extent of this brutality. Trans residents are being forced to use their legal names and incorrect pronouns. Gender-appropriate clothing is being denied. Pat-down searches are being conducted by male guards, with reports of groping and harassment." Susan Beatty, attorney at law, stated, "They have received reports that some trans people were forced under threat of discipline to hand over their underwear, including bras and boxers, as if they were contraband. It is already so difficult to be a trans person in prison in this country, and now this administration's measures are intentionally terrorizing and traumatizing incarcerated trans people even further. This is not about safety. This is about cruelty. This is about the deliberate infliction of pain." Lawyers report suicidal thoughts and daily nightmares among their clients. Alex McLaren, former acting director of the National Institute of Corrections, calls this order fake and scapegoating. Resources for transgender people in U.S. prisons *** Just Detention International ** website and contact information, focuses on sexual abuse in prisons. *Lambda Legal ** website and contact information, provides legal assistance for LGBTQ and individuals. Transgender Law Center ** website and contact information, legal advocacy for transgender rights. National Center for Transgender Equality ** website and contact information, advocacy and resources. Black and Pink ** website and contact information, support for LGBTQ and prisoners. The Sylvia Rivera Law Project ** website and contact information, legal support for low-income transgender people. This is a human rights crisis. These are not just statistics. These are human beings. And they deserve justice.